Are you feeling any better?
Yeah. I guess it just feels so good to tell anyone, you know? I didn't mean that not that you're just anyone that didn't come out.
No, I know what you mean. I'm not, a friend. I mean, I'm a friend, but not a friend, and I'm old, an adult, and I'm not your family. And I think that's what you really want to open up to, huh?
They're the ones I feel worst about lying to, you know? I lie to them all the time.
Sure, look, Billy, if you want, when you're ready, I'll talk to your parents.
No,
for you.
no,
All right.
please.
Okay, that's fine.
I didn't mean to bark at you, Andrew. It's
Billy,
just that...
it's all right. I understand. And what's been said between us, that goes no further.
It can't.
Okay, it won't.
I mean, I told Joey, look at the way he reacted.
I know.
And he's supposed to be a friend.
Okay. Okay.
Andrew, you don't know how much I wish I hadn't. I feel so scared sometimes. Like I'm trapped. Like I'm suffocating and I have nowhere else to go and I can't get out. And Andrew, I want to get out, man.
You will. You'll get out. I swear to you that you will get out. It may take time. You will.
Joey can see me now, right? Not only am I some fruit, but I cry like a girl, huh?
What is with you, huh? You don't think straight guys ever cry? You don't think they get upset? You kidding me? I'm telling you, when my father called me and said he was coming here to Lambview, I cried like a baby. I did. A girl.
Thanks, man.
You'll be all right. You're gonna be all right.
Hello, is this Mrs. Douglas, Billy Douglas's mom? Yes, hi, this is Marty Saybrook. I met you with my Aunt Kiki at the club. Yes, no, she's fine, thanks. She's, in France. Listen, I was wondering if I could come over and talk to you. You know, there's something I think you should know about Billy and Reverend Carpenter.